So I'm gonna go ahead and install the wig from Arabella Hair. So this is the 6x5 transparent pre-cut lace wig. So the lace came pre-cut, as you guys can see. So I did go in to bleach the knots on the wig because I wanted it to look really natural, and this is the loose wave hair texture.
So baby, come over, we can make love. If this ain't love, then I must be confused. It's silly, but I ain't been loved for way too long. If this ain't love, then surely I'ma lose it. Swear that I'ma lose my mind if this ain't love.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and just wet the hair and then redefine the curls.
Yeah, baby, come over, sweet Mila. Yeah, baby, come over tonight.
Okay, so this is how the wig looks. So like I said, this is the loose wave wig, and it's a 26" and it's a 210% density. So the wig is actually quite full. I really like the hair. The hair feels extremely soft, and this is the hair texture. This is the hair in its natural state. I've not applied anything to this hair aside from water and some leave-in conditioner. Like I said, this is the pre-cut closure wig. It's a 6x5 closure wig, which means it's 6 going across and it's 5 inches.
So baby, come over,